Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version. Go to the EARFUN audio app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, then tap on them, scroll down, and at the bottom we have version. You need to tap at this line and check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Next step, also in the application, you need to find in-ear detection. So what this mode do, when you listen to audio and you remove your earbuds from your ears, it will automatically stop your audio. When you put it back, it will automatically resume to play your audio. So if you need this, just tap at the slider if the slider have colorful background, and we just disable it. Next step is to restart your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the latest version for your audio player and update if you haven't. The last option is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case. Then, inside the case, we have connection button. Also, do not close the lid. So you need to press and hold this connection button for at least 10 seconds until you will see that the LED light flashed 3 times. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, your earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, and you will see them at the device list. Tap on them. And we did it! Now, if you have this bug, like me, you can just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and now we have only one earbud. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!